Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will guide you through how to get all 6 shadow options in Canva. So let's start. First of all, here I am in Canva workspace. Now I'll go to element and choose one of my images. Okay, I am choosing this image. Now if I go to this edit photo and choose this shadow, you can see here I have only 3 options. But previously Canva used to have 6 options. So to get that 6th option, all we have to do is hit on this edit photo and scroll down over here, and you can see you are using new photo editor. To use old experience, click here. Then click over here and a pop-up will appear. Click on this revert to old editor. Then our editor is reverted to old editor. Now again go to edit image and you can see here it is shadow. If you click on shadow, you can see here our all 6 options of shadows are available. In this way, we can get all 6 shadow options in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.